This is Sam Ellis, and I'm sitting here in front of my baby. And for you car enthusiasts, it's a 1962 Buick Invictor convertible. And so this is my project. This is what I do when I want to just, get away from everything and just play with this, work on it. I'm glad when I bought it, it had some things I had to do to it to give me a chance to work on. I enjoyed that when I was younger, working on cars. I got a little project now because I was changing the thermostat, and the bolt was so rusty. Oh, when I started hitting those bolts, they pop, pop. So I went to drill into those bolts. Got a little bit on the end. I might be able to get it out, but I'm not sure. I'm trying. I'm soaking it down a little bit, and then I might be able to get some vice grips and turn it, but it don't look like it's gonna happen. It look like I'm gonna have to tap it and drill, and maybe even have to, tap new threads and do it that way. But whatever. But it's gonna be fun, and maybe we might be able to take a ride together. Well, today I want to talk about, again, a little bit farther into the email marketing. And because it's such a awesome way for not only share to scale to reach our audience, but it's also beneficial for you if you decide you want to take advantage of this type of marketing. And but there are some disadvantages as well. And so I want to talk a little bit about some of the disadvantages. And one thing is it's a crowded field. There's a lot of people using email marketing, and there's a lot of emails going into your potential customers' email. So that's something you have to think about. 8 out of 10 people say they receive marketing messages alongside personal emails every single day. I know that there are some people who email me every day. I don't email my list every single day, but there are some people who email me every single day. And there are some who email me every single day, and I want their emails every single day, right? So I definitely would like to be that person, that individuals don't mind receiving emails from me every single day. That's awesome. The average amount of time people spend reading one email is about 15 to 20 seconds. So you keep that in mind when you create your email, because it's a permissive-based marketing, right? That's that word again, permissive-based. People can opt out and out of receiving your message at any time. So that's a disadvantage that people can say, okay, I'm tired of you, opt out. Of course, it's a good thing for the customer that they're able to do that. That we have what we call spam filters can block your email from getting through, even if the customer has given you permission to send them. So some cases email might not even be getting to them. So that's another disadvantage. According to online marketing company Constant Contact, which is a big organization, the open rate, how many of those who receive a non-personal email actually opens it, for 38 different industry ranges between 7.47%, which is good. For consultants, 31.4 for non-profit religious organizations as well. The average open rate is just 18.4%. The average click-through rate where people click on a link contained in the email is much lower, about 7.7%. So I'm looking at 8.89%. What do you do about that? Because email marketing is everywhere. You need to design your campaign and write your email in such a way that they are more likely to notice you, right? And hopefully that's what I do. I like pictures in my email, some picture of a video. Sometimes I put my picture, my family, on the bottom of the email so people can get to know me and who I am. Because you want them to open it and read it, and you want them to take action. So you have to put thought in the email. Define your audience and their expectations. What do they want to hear from you? So remember this is very important, that when you were advertising to your potential customer, you are offering them something. And so now they opt in to your email list and they're starting to receive email. So you have to keep in mind what it is that you were promising them at the start, because they're going to be looking for that. And so it's important to be honest and do what we say we're going to do, communicating with them. So go back to the information you and gather that you use to target your audience, because you did some research, right? And you know who your target audience is. You know what their pain points are. You know what they like, they don't like, what they hate, what they love. And so you do your research and you find a solution to their problems, and now you're offering it to them. And that's what they're looking for. So if you design your email in a way that you staying in line with that, then they're more likely to open your email. And so set a goal for this particular email sequence where you are framing up your emails in a way that you're building up to helping them in certain stages in your offers. Help your, and that's the most important thing, is that you want people to open up your email. And so I'm going to stop there. Again, I mentioned in the last video that we use the Kajabi platform. If you haven't had a chance to look at that, they have a free trial where you can try their product out and see if it fits in your email campaign. If you truly want to grow and scale your business, you want to invest in the tools that's necessary to do that, then go ahead and look at Kajabi. And also, if you haven't joined our Share to Scale family, the most easy way to join is to start slamming your business, going through the training program. I think it's now we have an offer of like $75 for you to be able to slam your business and come into the studio on our stage here and slam your business and let us promote your business. And then the next step is there's another package of $175 where it's more personal. Your story is more personal, where you can be able to, we'll edit it for you professionally, where you can be able to use it in the market. And then, of course, the community is simply amazing. But thank you for listening to me. And hopefully the next time we talk, I'll have this back on the road, and maybe you in here slamming with me, and it's a beautiful day outside. We go out and cruise a little bit. See you in the next video. and see you on the other side.